Hello everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys OnePlus 13 after 5 months. First of all, talk about the box content. You can get one SIM ejector tool, some paper, one soft case, USB Type-C cable, and 100-watt fast adapter. And lastly, our smartphone, the OnePlus 13. My device is blue color and the phone is look excellent. I like OnePlus 13 camera design, especially the camera ring and also Hasselblad logo. The smartphone built with glass in the front, silicon polymer in the back and aluminium frame. In the display department, the phone comes with 6.82-inch LTPO 120Hz 1B color AMOLED panel. And the good side is the phone comes with 4500 nits of peak brightness. Security wise, the phone comes with under display ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. The smartphone powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor with 12 and 16GB RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. In the camera department, the phone comes with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 50 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highs 8K 30fps video and you also record 4K 30 and 60fps video. And very soon this smartphone long time camera review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. The smartphone powered by 6000 mAh battery with 100-watt fast adapter and 50-watt wireless charging supported. And very soon this smartphone long time full review and also gaming review coming our channel, so make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's all about our short unboxing and review. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.